Hello students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. I hope you all are enjoying online classes. So students, today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 8. So all the students, take your book and copies. First of all, you have to fill up your book, and then after you have to complete your CW copy. Okay, in this exercise number A is take the correct answer. Okay, in this question number first is how many views are there in a presentation views. Okay, so students, option number C is the right answer. There are 6 views in a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, those are normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, slide show view, reading view, and notes page view. Okay, these all are the views that you can find in the PowerPoint presentation. Now come to the question number second. Question number second is pressing the key start the slideshow from the beginning. Here you can see 3 options. Option number A is shift, option number B is control, and option number C is F5. Okay, so students, option number C is the right answer, F5. When you will press F5, then your presentation will be start from the beginning. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is slides can be rearranged in the views. So students, in this question you will get 3 options. Option number A is normal view, option number B is slide sorter view, and option number C is both A and B. Okay students, here you have to write both A and B. Okay, so in this students, option number B is the right answer, slide sorter view. You can rearrange your slides in the slide sorter view. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is how many types of dot themes are there in MS PowerPoint 2016? Okay, students, in this question you will get 3 options. Option number A is 33, option number B is 41, and option number C is 51. So students, option number A is the right answer. There are 33 predefined themes in MS PowerPoint. Okay, now the question number 5 is on which tab is the slide master option available. In this question you will also get 3 options. Option number A is home, option number B is view, and option number C is design. So students, option number B is the right answer, view. Okay, now come to the next exercise, that is exercise number B, fill in the blanks. Okay, here you have to fill the correct word in the given area. So students, question number first is dash view has no slide navigation pane. Students, here you have to fill slide sorter. Slide sorter views has no slide navigation pane. Okay. Question number second is dash is a predefined combination of background design, color and font effects. So students, here you have to fill themes. And the next question number third is start from beginning button is present on the quick access toolbar. So students, here you have to fill quick access toolbar. And the question number 4 is dash view display the slides one by one in a sequential order. So students, here you have to fill slide show. Okay. And now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is a PowerPoint is a dash software. So students, here you have to fill presentation. PowerPoint is a presentation software. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is exercise number C. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. In this question number first is a presenter cannot add notes to a presentation. Dear students, this statement is false. Okay. You can add notes in your presentation. Second, reading view display the thumbnail of the slide. So student, this statement is also false. Now come to the third statement. Your third statement is Shift plus F5 key combination start the slideshow from the current slide. Yes, this statement is true. Now come to the fourth statement. Rearranging slide means deleting the slide. Yes, dear student, this statement is false. And now come to the last statement, that is statement number 5. The slide master control the entire presentation. Yes, students, this statement is true. Okay. Now come to the next, that is exercise number D. Okay. In this question number first is on which tab are the presentation views option available? List the types of views. So students, the answer of this question is on the view tab there are 5 view options available in the presentation views group. Those are normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, note space view, reading view and slide show view. These all are the views. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is question number second. Question number second is what do you understand by the term slide show? So students, the slide show is a full screen digital presentation of slides one by one in a sequential order. Okay. And the question number third is the explanation explain the theme feature in PowerPoint. Okay, the answer of this question is a theme is a predefined combination of background, design, color and font effect. Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 has different type of themes. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 4. Describe the slide master feature. Okay, here question number 4 is describe the slide master feature. So students, the answer of this question is the slide master feature is used to edit and customize the default layout. It includes similar font, background, color schemes and placeholder size. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is differentiate between the slide sorter view and slide show view. Okay, so students, slide sorter view, this view has no slide navigation pane. All slides of the presentation are displayed in thumbnail form. And slide show view display the slides in a sequential order. Okay, now dear student, this chapter has gone finished and the next chapter I will explain in my next video. Till then, goodbye students, bye bye.